we're here, Braden, Becca, checking in. If you don't remember Becca, she's the one who captured the players last time. I am the one who just claps and stands behind them. We're about an hour out from Kingston for this players tour, which Tiffany's already there. God, I hope this isn't the intro to her video.
That indeed was the intro to the vlog, so thank you.
So hopefully after this it cuts to some bowling or whatever else we're up to. Yeah, that's all I gotta say really. I don't do this part usually. Bye.
Hello? Who is it? Housekeeping? No thanks.
Hello. Is that videoing right now?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, fuck.
He's so hyped. Well, Mother Nature had other plans for us. We thought we were going home after the players tour.
Hell no.
We are now staying in a hotel in the middle of freaking nowhere. But there's a Subway and a Harvey's right beside it. So I mean, if you're gonna get stranded at any hotel, it might as well be this one. That's what I'm saying. Is there not a sign that said like Harvey's? Oh, follow that car. Get him.
Come on here, boy.
Yeah. Oh, there's the sign I was thinking of. Yeah. Oh, I tried to film a shot of the sign and the whole window's just covered. So that was good. Damn.
Imagine just
I feel like you can't get the full effect of what's happening.
we're sitting in a bathtub. It's fun.
It's gonna look weird.
There's no pool.
I'm good. We wanted to go in a hot tub.
We can make a hot tub right now.
That's what I'm saying. This probably looks really funny from over there, doesn't it? 100%.
Come to the almost hot tub. Dude, footrest, dude. Oh.
Hey.
Look at this though. Fuck this.
The toilet.
Well, I might kind of be honest.
I feel like we fire. And that brings us to the present day. I just finished editing this video. Yeah, things took a turn. As you can see, Brayden and I definitely lost our minds there towards the end, trying to make a hot tub out of a bathtub. But we ended up staying in that hotel, and then left the next day, and the road's completely clear. Like the shot from before we stopped, when I showed the road, did not do it justice. Like we could not see in front of us, especially on the highway, could not see. So we pulled off, stayed. In the morning, roads were clear. Like it was, like, I don't know, it was ridiculous. On the way home, unfortunately, Brayden and Becca were rear-ended by somebody, so they got into an accident, and that was chaotic in itself. But that's why there's no outro to this video. So here I am, outroing the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Nonetheless, Becca and I both missed the cut at this one, unfortunately. I was close at one point, but then just kind of fell off. It was a tough one. It was a tough shot, but neither one of us made the cut, but we had a fun weekend. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in some future videos and just talking about like the content that I want to bring to this channel. But if you like the bowling vlogs, let me know in the comments. Okay, bye everyone.
I got things to do. I'm me playing you. I'm me playing you. Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time.